Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front turn signal bulbs in my 2002 Lexus GS300. This is going to apply to all second generation GS models from 1998 to 05. And I'm going to be replacing mine with an LED upgrade from LASFIT. So these are type 7440 bulbs. These, I believe, are polarity sensitive, so I'll go through the steps that we need to take in order to ensure that we install them correctly. And I'll be right over to the car to show you where the bulbs are and how to remove them and how to replace them with these new ones. We're now over at the car and we're looking at the passenger side headlight from the driver's side of the car, basically on top of where the airbox snorkel is. So you can see in the middle of the screen that gray connector with the wires coming out of it. That is the turn signal connector. And in order to replace the bulb, all you need to do is reach in there, turn that connector counterclockwise, pull it out of its socket, and then you'll have access to the bulb. So I'll lay the connector there just so you all can see it, and you can see the bulb right there at the end of the connector. To remove that bulb, all you need to do is pull it straight out. And to put a new bulb in, all you need to do is press it back in until it clicks. Now, the one thing I want to mention about LED bulbs is that a lot of them are polarity sensitive. And what that means is that it may not work the first time that you plug it in. If the bulb does not work whenever you've plugged it in, and I recommend testing it before you reinstall everything, all you need to do is pull the bulb out of the socket and flip it 180 degrees. When they're polarity sensitive, the positive needs to be on the positive side and negative needs to be on the negative side. So if you have it flipped around, it won't work properly. So I'm going to go ahead and put the LED bulb into the socket and reinstall it into the housing once I've tested it. And I'm going to give you a 50-50 shot of what the new blinker looks like compared to the old one. Alright, so as you can see, I have the bulb installed on the passenger side now. The great thing about LED bulbs is that they're instant on-off, so that's a nice safety feature to have. Your bulb doesn't fade in and out like the incandescent bulb that you can see on the driver's side on the right. And in addition to that, it is very, very bright. So nobody is going to miss your turn signal and misinterpret where you're going while you're driving. So it's a pretty simple install. The driver's side is a little bit more cramped with the ECU box sitting there. So it's a little bit more difficult to install the bulb over there. And that's why I showed you how to do it on the passenger side. But as long as you have reasonably small hands, you can do it without any problem. So that's the end of the video. You're just going to repeat the process on the driver's side to get that done. Again, keeping in mind that you're going to have to work in a little bit more of a confined space. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.